Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your AOL email fonts larger. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to make your fonts in AOL Mail larger, you just simply have to open your AOL Mail in any of your browser. I'm using this Chrome shortcut here. And now, after opening the AOL Mail in your browser, you just simply have to click on this settings icon on the right side. Click on that, and from there, go to More Settings. Now, after coming to More Settings, you will get this option setting. Directly after entering these settings, now you just simply have to scroll down into Option Setting until you see this Enable Large Text Size button here. You just simply have to open this toggle in order to enable large text size in AOL. And after enabling this option, you will get the font size in AOL larger than before. By following these very easy steps, you can easily make your font in AOL larger. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.